Hey, this is Henry from Lonestar Exteriors here. I'm just gonna show you a quick video of how to repair an easy shingle blow off. So I'm gonna do a quick repair here. What you gotta do is just take out the damaged shingles. So you take out the nails along here, and then also the nails that are in this shingle here, along here, so you can pull it out and then put the new ones in and nail them in place. So when you got all the nails taken out, then you should be able to just take it, pull it out like this, and then slide in the new one. Make sure that all the nails are gone. Still got one in there. Take your flat bar. There you go. Make sure they're all out. That way you can slide your new shingle in place. There's another. Oh. Okay, there we go. There we go. And I got to put in a piece there yet. I'm going to nail that one on. There we go. Got it all finished up. Just got to make sure that you put some sealant underneath these shingles so that they stick back down. And what I like to use is Tremco 830. It's very good stuff. But yeah, thanks for watching, and hopefully this helps.